Wagwan goodies, yeah man, welcome, run come here and let's make some pigtail red pea soup. So goodies, here you can see I have some Irish potatoes that are already washed and peeled. I have some pumpkin, okra, some cassava and a piece of white yam that I'll be putting into my soup. And over here in a pot I have the peas, the red peas boiling. I'm going to cook the red peas halfway before I add anything else to the soup. So goodies, here I have the pig's tail that I cut up. I'm gonna add some water and I'm just gonna boil this out to get rid of some of the salt before I add it to my pot. Okay goodies, so the peas half cooked, so now I'm going to add the pumpkin, the cassava and the Irish potato, and here I have some pimento seeds. I'm not going to add the okras yet. If you have carrots, you can add the carrot, and I'm going to add the yam as well. You can use any yam, yellow yam or white yam. So I'm just going to add it now, and this is the pigtail here. I'm boiling out the pigtail, so I'm just going to cover this and leave it to cook halfway through, and then I'm going to add the pigtail when it's finished boiling, and then I'm going to finish up the pot, add the rest of seasoning and fruit vegetables and just spice up the thing. Okay goodies, so I've added as you can see, I've added the pig's tail, and I also put some dumplings, that's optional. So I added the pig's tail as you can see here, and the peas well cooked, and the pumpkin and stuff start mashing out already. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add some chicken season up, Maggi chicken season up, just to flavor the pot, about a teaspoon. And I'm also going to add some Maggi all-purpose, also about a teaspoon. Just the Maggi all-purpose going in, and then just gonna spin this up and then leave it to cook a little bit more, and about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add some other seasoning and Maggi or Grace cock soup, depends on which one you like. You can use the Maggi or you can use the Grace. Okay goodies, so now I'm going to add some green onion, some scallion and the okra to the pot, and I'm also going to put about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Just want to crush them a little bit, and I'm going to also add the Maggi cock soup. As you can see, my pot full. I add a hot pepper. Now I'm adding the cock soup mix. I just want to spin this up right away so it doesn't lump. See how rich and nice it's looking. A lot of peas. Alright goodies, so don't spin it up. All we have to do now is just leave it to cook, and then you can taste it and see if you need any more seasoning. I doubt you're gonna need salt. You can tip a little bit of non-salt butter if you want, but try to keep off of the grease. Don't add no butter if you don't have to. But this is it. Just make it boil down. Stick around for the final result. Let me know what you think so far about our pig's tail red pea soup, Jamaican style. Alright goodies, so as you can see, our soup is ready. Our nice red pig's tail soup. Awesome and delicious. Like the video, share the video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you will be trying this recipe. Look at it. Awesome and delicious. Until next time my friends, walk good.